surprised by the personal announcement of the president, of the closure of all gambling activities run by PCSO. And so we take note that still there are complaints at the LTO, the SSS, BIR, LRA, and Pag-ibig in terms of their rendition of services to the people. Why do I have to go through this? It is because the National Security Agency, partnered with the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, are major players in counterintelligence or in gathering of information in order to take out the demons among us. And that is exactly where we are starting, since it is our anniversary today, as we go about in the other